Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough tour of this brand new, beautiful 2020 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer Coupe. Look at this beautiful horizon hull, extended swim platform, submersible swim step in the back. Let's hop aboard and show you all the options. All right, up aboard the 2020 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer Coupe. You can see here we got two Fusion speakers, so when you're out here hanging out on the swim patio, got this huge extended swim platform, electric cooktop, freshwater sink. Moving in, starboard side, large walkthrough, hot and cold freshwater shower, Fusion stereo controls. Awesome for 2020, new snap-in sea deck flooring, really comfortable on your feet. Also got the stone interior. Look at this setup here. Absolutely gorgeous. Huge sun pad set up right now. These just unsnap, and then there is a table under there on a high pedestal that you can create this into a dining area. Opposing seating. We also got the entertainment packaging here, which consists of a flat screen television. Also have an extending sunshade over the transom and climate controlled air conditioning in here. Awesome boat. You never have to put the isinglass up on the sides. Just a drop curtain on the back. And go into some inclement weather. Keep yourself cool in the middle of these Florida summers. Opening windows, port, starboard, opening sunroof and a vent hatch right in the middle that scoops air in. So you don't have to run the air conditioning. You can actually leave the windows down and cruise and get a nice airflow inside. Double wide captain's chair. We got straight shafts, V-drive inboards on this boat, so you can leave the boat in the water, no problem down here in the saltwater environment. And Mercury incorporated the thruster now into the joystick controls, so you can easily dock the boat and also control the transmissions. Of course, you got a really nice, elegant dash, aircraft style toggles, gauges in a Simrad 12-inch GPS screen. Opposing on the port side, you have a lounger and a seat, so your companion can sit right up here comfortably with a really nice view. As we move down, you're going to notice a really ample cabin. It's the biggest cabin boat that Sea Ray is making. Nice steps down to a natural wood floor. Looking aft, starboard, you'll see a nice galley with a refrigerator, dual burner cooktop, microwave and sink. A nice solid surface countertop. And then we look aft, they open this up so it's no cavernous effect. You feel completely open. And we got a settee here, hanging locker, and then a double bed that can also be transformed into two singles. And you also have another flat screen television back here, so it's a great place to retire for the night. And as we move forward, you'll see a nice dinette couch angled perfectly right towards the flat screen television, and then the master raised elevated bed here. This also turns into a double bed with a pull-out slider. Plenty of cabinet space, hanging lockers. Really great, beautiful setup here. And something that I really enjoy is a separate shower in the head. So you have an acrylic door that separates it, a wand. Really nice weekend boat. Again, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Give me a call, 954-633-2070. I'd love to get you aboard and show you the options this boat has. 2020 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer Coupe.